Hello and welcome to my channel. We went to pick your own farm at the weekend here in the UK to pick some delicious strawberries, and as an inspiration I created this jar with rope decorations. I start my work from asking my husband to drill a hole in this metal lid so I can attach round wooden handle on top of it. You can find exactly the same handles in all building shops. Once handle is attached, I start painting my jar with white acrylic primer. To avoid disappointment, make sure your primer is suitable for glass. I had to apply 3 coats of paint to cover my jar properly. When everything is dry, I start fiddling with silicone molds and air drying clay. I tried several clays in different colors, but in my opinion, white one makes least mess. I found this one online and description states it is non-toxic and suitable even for children. It almost feels like Play-Doh in my hands. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my small online shop with decoupage supplies. As usual, I will leave you links under the video if you would like to buy some more supplies or items which are created by me. I fill my mold with clay, pushing it quite hard to reach all the corners, and then I gently remove rope from the form. I use quick drying glue and brush to attach the decoration around the base, edge and lid. I also tried using heavy body gel and it works quite well, so you can use it instead of express glue if you wanted to. I wait about 1 hour for clay to dry a little bit, and then I press the ropes against the jar once more so there are no gaps left, because clay might lift and shrink a little bit during drying process. I leave my project for drying overnight. When my clay is dry, I prepare paper napkin for gluing. Firstly, I remove 2 bottom layers of paper, leaving only top colored one. The rest goes in the bin as we won't need it. I use small brush and water to tear images out, as torn fluffy edges tend to blend better and we won't need as many layers of varnish later on. As you know, I have been using varnish instead of glue with napkins recently, and this time won't be different because this method leaves less or no wrinkles. I don't recommend using fan brush, just white synthetic brush is much better. We can use fan brush when we glue wet napkins. To find out about how to glue wet napkins without wrinkles, you are more than welcome to watch my other videos. At this point, you could leave your jar as it is, adding additional layer of white paint around the ropes just to make sure they are the same shade of white as the rest of your jar. Or you can follow me and add some green around roping, but before I can do that, we need a layer of varnish. Varnish will protect white paint and images, and it will let us wipe excess paint without leaving stains of green. Once dry, I apply layer of green paint reaching all the small holes between roping, and I use wet wipe to remove some of the paint. I want mainly corners filled with paint at this point. Once I'm happy with the finish, I take little bit of green paint on my brush and I apply another thin layer on top of my ropes. I repeat the dry brushing process using white paint to expose the ropes around edges. At the very end, I create splash marks to blend everything further. When my paint is dry, I apply several layers of acrylic varnish to protect my paint, and my work is finished. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel or to follow me on social media. You can also join my Decoupage group on Facebook to ask questions and to share your work. Link is to be found below.